Dear students, welcome once again to Army Public School PMA Kaku Resource Network. Before we start our subject maths, please subscribe this channel and press on bell icon. I am Tartasha Khan and today we will discuss the homework of week 10 of class 1. In this week we will continue the previous topic and the name of the topic is shapes and patterns. And the subtopic which we will discuss is recognizing pattern. Students, after watching this video, you will be able to identify the pattern and complete the pattern. Before going in detail, let's have a recap of previous knowledge. Now you have to tell me what are these shapes called. What is this shape? Yes, triangle. And what is this shape called? Circle. This one, square. And this one, rectangle. Very good. You all are familiar with these shapes. Students, you can see there are two shapes, square, circle, and circle. And these are arranged in a special way. First we have square, then circle, square, then circle. This is called pattern. What is pattern? Pattern are created when shapes, numbers or objects are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Now you got the concept of pattern? Patterns are created when shapes are arranged in a special way. We can make different type of patterns with the help of shape. There is a pattern on a screen and you have to complete this pattern. To complete the pattern, first you have to identify the change in the pattern. As you can see, there is one type of shape is used in this pattern. What is that shape? Triangle. Now, identify the change. Yes, there is change in color in this pattern. First we have black color, then we have green triangle, black triangle, green, black, green. What will come next? Yes, black triangle. So, pattern may be changed on the basis of color. There is a change in color. Here is another example. As you can see, there is another pattern. Identify the change in pattern. Now again we have the one type of shape. What is this shape? Circle. But what is the change in the circle? There is change in the size of circles. First we have big circle, small circle, then big circle, small circle. So we can say there is change in size. Now you can identify the pattern on the basis of their size. Okay students, now there is another example. You can see a pattern on a screen. What is the change in this pattern? You can notice that we have different shapes and different colors. So you can identify the pattern on the basis of shape and size both. There is change in shape and size. As you can see, first we have this shape, then this one, star, and this. So patterns are change on the base of shape and size both. I hope you like this topic, and now before going on your written work you have to remember the 2 points. The first point is look at the pattern carefully. You have to check the pattern, is it changing the size in a color or it is changing in both color and size. Then the next step is you have to draw the neat and clean shapes. There, your shapes must be very neat. It's homework time now, and I hope you will enjoy your homework very much because it is very much interesting topic, and you have to do the textbook page number 95 to 97 and then page number 79 and 80. Enjoy your homework. In this week you have another task that you have to make a project. Students, you have to decorate your doll house or any small house with a beautiful curtain. Use the A4 size paper to make the pattern and then make a string curtain. All the details are given in your week 10 homework schedule, and you have to do this project under the supervision of your parents. Here we have a homework of week 11. In this week we will start the new chapter, chapter number 9, and the name of the chapter is length, and the subtopic which we will discuss is comparing length. What is a length? Length is how long something is or distance between two edges is. How we can compare the length? When we say this is short and this is tall, this is called comparison. And here are the words which are used to compare the length are tall, taller, tallest, short, shorter, and shortest. Oh, these are your favorite cartoons, Tom and Jerry. Tom is taller than Jerry. You are comparing the Tom and Jerry. Tom is taller than Jerry. This is called comparing length. Here is another example of tall and short. This is tall and this is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. The girl is tall and the boy is short. Tall, short. I hope now you can also compare yourself with the others. Are you tall or short? If we have to compare the things more than two, then we will use the word taller and tallest. As you can see on a screen, this boy is taller than this boy and this boy is tallest. So when you have to compare the more than two things, you will use the word taller and tallest. Here we have another example. We have to compare these three trees. This tree is tall and this one is taller than the first one, and this tree is tallest. The thing which is taller than from all given things, we will use the word tallest. Oh students, here we have a unique race competition. Now you have to tell me which is the tall, taller and tallest. Yes, look at the picture carefully and tell me. This one is tall and the second giraffe is taller than the first giraffe and the third giraffe is tallest. Yes, you are right. Now you have to tell which pencil is short. From these three pencils, this pencil is short, this is shorter than the first one, and the last one is shortest. This is the way we can compare the things in terms of short, shorter, and shortest. Compare these. This is short, this is shorter than the first one, and this is shortest. Let's compare the snowman. This snowman is short. Is this shorter? No, this is shortest. And this one is shorter. So we have short, shorter, shortest. So when you are comparing the things, you have to look at the picture carefully. Before start your any written work, you have to remember the following points. The first point is use the words tall and short for comparing two things, and use the words taller than or shorter than for comparing more than two things. Now it's your turn to show your understanding by doing homework. And your homework is textbook page number 101 and workbook page numbers are 85 and 88. I hope all the concepts are clear to you now.